Hey, beautiful souls. Today we will be discussing the benefits of drinking water for your health. I will go over the positive benefits of drinking water. I will talk about the negative impact not drinking water can have on your health. And I will also give you some tips to help you drink more water. Water is the driving force of all nature. Leonardo da Vinci. Humans, plants, and animals all need water to survive. It is essential for all life on Earth, and many scientists believe that life would not exist without it. The human body is about 60% water, so drinking water is essential for optimal health. Most nutritionists say to drink 8 cups of water, but there really is no set amount of water for every single human to be drinking. And just drinking 8 cups of water doesn't mean you are fully hydrated. So, as a holistic nutritionist, my rule is to drink enough water until your urine is coming out clear. If you have a yellow tint, then you should be drinking more water. And if your urine has a brown tint, then it means you're dehydrated. Drinking water can help increase your physical stamina. When you are drinking enough water, it can improve your workouts by making them feel easier by controlling your body temperature, and can help reduce muscle fatigue by keeping your muscles and joints lubricated, since about 70 to 80% of your muscles are made up of water, according to InBody. And drinking water before and throughout your workout can keep you hydrated and energized. Drinking water can also reduce headaches and increase brain function. The brain is made up of 73% of water, so when you are dehydrated, your brain actually shrinks in size like a sponge from the lack of water, which causes headaches and reduces brain function. Once you hydrate again, then your brain absorbs the water and is able to function properly. Staying hydrated can also relieve symptoms of constipation. Constipation is when you are having less than 2 to 3 bowel movements per day. This can be caused because you are not eating enough whole foods like fruits and vegetables, or are eating too many processed foods that have been stripped of fiber. It could also be caused by not drinking enough fluids. Water not only helps to flush your body of toxins and cleanse your system, but it also helps to hydrate your colon, which softens your stool and makes it easier to pass. Another benefit of drinking enough water is that it improves the appearance of your skin because it flushes out toxins from your body and your pores, which can reduce acne. Staying hydrated helps maintain your skin's elasticity, and you will be less likely to suffer from scars, wrinkles, and soft lines. Water also increases blood circulation throughout the body and your face, which improves uneven skin tone and puffiness, and can also speed up the healing process for burns or dry skin. Water can also help with weight loss. Drinking water increases your metabolic rate, the rate at which your body burns calories at rest. So, when you drink water, it can increase the number of calories you burn in a day, making it easier for you to lose weight. We never know the worth of water till the well is dry. Thomas Fuller. Did you know that according to the National Institute of Health, 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated? Dehydration happens when the body loses more fluids than it is taking in, and the body doesn't have enough water to properly function. There are different levels of dehydration from mild to life threatening, but dehydration for short periods of time or long periods of time can both have negative effects on your health. Some mild symptoms of dehydration are dry mouth, chapped lips, or a white tongue that looks like a white coating on the top of the tongue because of bacteria and dead cells that become stuck on the tongue and inflamed. Fatigue is also another mild symptom of dehydration. Dehydration negatively impacts sleep, so if you wake up and still feel tired or get tired easily before finishing a workout or in the middle of your work day, you may be dehydrated. And of course, feelings of thirst is a mild symptom of dehydration. And it is important, if your body is signaling that it is feeling thirsty, to drink water or tea and not sugary drinks, because they won't hydrate the body and will actually increase your thirst symptoms. Some moderate symptoms of dehydration are dizziness and feeling lightheaded. The brain is 73% water, and so it needs to be hydrated to function properly. Feeling like you are on the verge of passing out without there being any other factors causing it, like extreme heat, low blood pressure, or alcohol poisoning, means you are probably dehydrated and need to drink some water before becoming unconscious. Skin elasticity is another moderate symptom of dehydration. An easy test you can do is to pinch the skin on the top of your hand. If the skin goes back immediately, you are hydrated. If the skin slowly goes back into place, you are moderately dehydrated. And if the skin stays tented and doesn't go back into place, you are severely dehydrated. Dark colored urine is another moderate symptom. The color of your urine is the easiest way to tell how hydrated you are. If you're experiencing a darker colored urine, typically with an odor, then you are moderately to severely dehydrated, depending on how long you have not drank water. If you stop urinating altogether or only once a day, then you're on the severe end of dehydration and it may be leading to more severe symptoms. In the most severe cases of dehydration, can lead to rapid heartbeat and rapid breathing, hypothermia with fever and body chills, unconsciousness and confusion, or in extreme cases, coma. But drinking a few glasses of water a day can prevent it getting to these extreme levels. Invest in a reusable water bottle. Plastic water bottles pollute landfills and the environment and are harmful to your health. Plastic releases chemicals that pollute the air, and some plastics leak chemicals that can have cancer causing effects when ingested. Even BPA free plastics can still contain other chemicals that can be harmful to your health. Investing in a reusable water bottle lets you drink as much water as you want and save money in the process, and stops you from contributing to garbage pollution or risking your health while trying to stay hydrated. Glass or stainless steel water bottles are a better option. I will link the gallon-sized water bottles I have down in the description. Add some variety. If drinking plain water is more difficult for you, then try adding some additional ingredients into your water. You can add fruits like lemons, limes, berries, oranges, or cucumbers, or herbs like rosemary, mint, or ginger. Not only will your water have more flavor, but you will also get the additional benefits of the fruits or herbs you add in. You can also drink more water in the form of coconut water, watermelon water, cactus water, birch sap or maple sap water, or herbal tea, which is another form of flavored water but with different benefits. I have a separate video on the benefits of drinking tea that I will also link down below. Drink water as soon as you wake up and before you go to sleep. If you like to drink water but just forget to actually have some, make it a habit to drink at least a glass of water as soon as you wake up, after you've brushed your teeth, of course, and drink water right before you go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, your body is dehydrated from the 8 hours you were sleeping and not hydrating. So, drinking water can help you to rehydrate your body, boost your energy levels, and prevent fatigue later on in the day. Drinking a glass of water before you sleep can help lower your body temperature and induce sleepiness and prevent night sweats. Thank you for watching. I hope this information is helpful to you. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more holistic living tips.